Welcome to our course of Python for machine learning. Before getting into our whole course classes, we have to learn a bit about the introduction to machine learning with Python and what machine learning with Python is. Machine learning with Python involves using the Python programming language to build algorithms that can change, learn from, and make predictions on data. Python is a popular choice for machine learning due to its simplicity, readability, and the vast array of libraries and frameworks available that make implementing machine learning models more accessible. So let's check out the key components of machine learning with Python. Libraries and framework. Python offers several powerful libraries and frameworks for machine learning. Those include Scikit-Learn, which is a comprehensive library for traditional machine learning algorithms like regression, classification, clustering, and more. Then we have TensorFlow, which is an open source deep learning framework developed by Google, used for modeling, or let's say building neural networks and other complex models. Then we have Keras, a high-level neural networks API written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow. Then we have PyTorch, which is an open source machine learning library developed by Facebook's AI research lab, known for its dynamic computation or computation graph. Then we have data handling, which is efficient data handling, which is crucial in machine learning. Those include Pandas, which is a library providing the data structures and data analysis tools. Then we have NumPy, which is a library for numerical operations and array processing. And the last one we have Matplotlib and Seaborn, which is a library for data visualization. Then move on to machine learning workflows. So data collection, which is used for gathering data from various resources. Data processing or data reprocessing. Cleaning and preparing data for analyzing, which is used for handling missing values, encoding categorical values, and normalizing data, etc. Model selection. Choosing the appropriate machine learning algorithm based on the program, which is used for classification, regression, clustering, and etc. Training the model. Feeding data to the model to learn from it. Evaluation. Assessing the model's performance using metric like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and then etc. Hyperparameter tuning. Optimizing the model's parameter to improve the performance of the machine learning workflow. And then we have deployment. Integrating the model into a productive or production environment to make predictions on new data and analyze it based on it. So now you know everything about or some theories which will give you a bit of idea about machine learning or what machine learning with Python is. So without any further ado, let's move on to our first class of Python for machine learning. And make sure not to skip any part of this class because all of the part of the class is going to be very important. And by the end of the classes, make sure to practice all along on your own. And also, if you have any question or any confusion about any part, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out.